You may have seen these channels with talking characters. They are getting a ton of views and subscribers. And it is actually very simple to make. And you can use it where you can't find a suitable stock video. And also it makes the video more engaging. Without further ado, let's start our today's video. Search for CapCut image generator in Chrome browser and open first site. This is the interface. Simply scroll down and click on generate. Now you have to do nothing but paste the prompt for image that I will provide you in description. Click on the generate and your avatar image will be ready soon. If you look here, you can also select ratio for the avatar. You can choose it for TikTok or YouTube. Both avatars looks cool, but I like this one better. Click on this button to download it. It's time to add extra charm to the avatar to make it more engaging. For this, I will add some extra material. Don't worry, I won't recommend you Photoshop. Here I will use free AI tool Adobe Firefly. Simply search it on Google and open first site. As you open it, scroll a little and click on Generate Fill and upload the avatar that we created recently. For example, I want to remove this laptop. And now I will simply write here what you want. Let's have a light. Let's make it more better. You may have seen a mic in front of character, so I will create a mic. You can add more things like this to improve it. But after downloading it, we'll have this ugly watermark. To remove this watermark, I will use ClipDrop, which is for free. Open the Chrome browser and search for ClipDrop, and open the first site. Select Tools and choose Text Remover. Here, upload the avatar image to remove the logo from it, and click on Remove Text. Once you do this, you can simply download it. Now we have to do one last thing, is our character speaking. To animate our character, I will use a free AI software that is ArtFlow. Let's search for ArtFlow AI in Chrome browser and open the first site. Here, click on the Video Studio and click on this plus icon and upload the image that you created, so I will upload this one. Here, write anything you want to animate it. Now click on Export and Animate, so your character will be animated. Give name to your animation, and animation will be downloaded successfully.
Do you want to make a talking character just like me? This talking character is used by almost all faceless YouTubers. If you want to know how to make this character, so watch the video till end. Let's start our today's video. Go to Chrome browser and search Leonardo AI. After this, click on the first site. Now here, write prompt, or I will give it in the description. Then you paste it here, and now click on the generate. And it will take some time. You can wait a few seconds. As you can see that our image is generated, so use the image that you like the most. So I like this one the most, so I will use it. Now go to YouTube and search green screen talking mouth. Don't worry, they all are copyright free. Download this one. After downloading it, open CapCut app. As you open it, import the image that we generated, and also import the green screen talking mouth that we downloaded from YouTube. Once you import it, click on the plus icon, or drag it to the timeline. Once you adjust it, here click on the ratio and set it on 16:9, because we are making it for YouTube. After this, import the green screen talking mouth we downloaded. Now click on the plus icon to add it in timeline. Drag it to the overlay section and adjust it according to the clip. When it is adjusted, click the cutout option here. Enable chroma key in here, click on pick color. So choose the green color and increase the strength. After this, adjust the mouth on its lips and cover it completely so it looks good. As we adjust it on its place, no play it. And take a look at how is it looking. So it's looking good. Now just export it. If you enjoyed watching the video, so please like it and subscribe the channel. And do not forget to press the bell icon.